Okay, so there's this hawk and tons of birds trying to get at it. I don't think he's really happy with it. He's not very comfortable up there. So yeah, I saw this hawk at the park a few minutes ago, like 30 minutes ago. And he's decided to follow me home. Lovely. I bet it's because he knows the bunnies are here. But guess what, Hawk? They're Charlie's. Just kidding. But yeah, look at that hawk. These birds are annoying. I bet if the hawk went away, then the birds would follow it, as they did at the park. Okay. See you guys later.